We're always looking for new and innovative ways to improve our roads. And this company is a northeast company who have a new product which is carbon negative, actually, not just carbon neutral, and utilises chopped up car tyres and a resin material to resurface roads. And the main benefit of this is that it is much quicker. We don't have to excavate materials, so there's no cost of taking materials away. We don't need as much traffic management, and we can have less disruption to the members of the public. As this is a new process, we are obviously going to evaluate this over the next few months. We've trialled this in various areas of the county, and we will see how it stands up, but we are expecting it to be a long-term fix.